525,600 minutes, 525,000 moments so dear. 525,600 minutes. How do you measure a year?
In daylights, in sunsets, in midnights, in cups of coffee, in inches, in miles, in laughter, in strife, and 525,600 minutes. How do you measure a year in the life?
Measuring love. 525,600 minutes, 525,000 journeys to plan, yeah. 525,600 minutes. How do you measure the life of a woman or a man?
In the truth that she learned, all the times that he cried, in the bridges he burned, all the way she died.
It's time now to sing out, though the story never ends. Let's celebrate, remember a year in the life of forever.